Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal in a rice cooker. Measure oats and liquid precisely, add oats, water or milk, and a pinch of salt, then select porridge or regular setting and start. Stir once before closing to prevent sticking. Stay nearby to check texture at the first cycle end and adjust liquid for thicker or thinner results based on your preference for creaminess. Pick the oat type first and adjust your liquid ratio and cook time accordingly. Rolled oats cook faster and yield smooth results, while steel cut give chewy, hearty texture that needs more liquid and time. If you like sweeter oatmeal, add diced fruit or cinnamon before cooking to infuse flavor. For savory bowls, mix in stock and herbs. Always note your rice cooker model has different heat profiles and tweak for perfect results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy kitchen hacks and cozy breakfast ideas. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with budgeting breakfast routines and choosing value ingredients. Great for cooks saving for bigger goals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with simple flavoring steps to avoid overcooking delicate ingredients. Add dry spices and a pinch of salt into the pot at the beginning, then pour in milk or water. After the rice cooker finishes, stir in honey, nut butter, or chopped fruit to keep textures vibrant. For texture contrast, sprinkle toasted nuts or seeds or a dollop of yogurt. Taste and adjust sweetness or salt, then serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.